Hello everyone, how are you all doing? In this video we are going to talk about a hidden feature that Apple has not talked about, and this is a feature that I have not seen anyone talk about. It is related to portrait and video calls. Oh my god, I'm so excited to talk about it, and I know you guys are too. Let's get right into today's video without wasting any more time. You are watching Tech Hype. Please hit that subscribe button if you are new here. I keep on making this type of dope content for you guys, and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. So please hit that subscribe button. It would mean a lot to me. And now that you have done that, let's get right into today's video. I will be coming up with more hidden features video as well, so you know what to do if you haven't already subscribed. Anyways, let's jump into today's video. The topic is, you have already read it on the title, it is Studio Lights. Yes, this is an amazing feature. What this does is, and how it works, I will talk about it in this video. So remember the portrait feature, right? When you go and suppose if I'll open Snapchat, and whenever you open some type of camera app, you can see here you got this mic modes, and here it was portrait mode, and now it has effects written on it. This is something new. If you long press and click on it, you will have this preview. Right now it is bugged, and as you can see, it is a bit too weird right now, but it works better on front camera. If I'll do here, and if I'll open this, you can see that it has detected my face, and now I can click here and change the depth effect. That is new here. And if I'll click on studio lighting, it actually works in real time, and it is just amazing how good it works. In order to enable this feature, you have to just go here and just click on the effects tab and just enable it. It is that simple. And when it is colored white, or if you are suppose in light mode, then also it is colored white. For some reason it is bugged right now, but in the dark mode it was not white. In the dark mode it was white, but in the light mode it was turned black. Just like here in the reactions, it was turned in this type. This was white and these were black when it was on the light mode. So probably that's a bug, but yeah, the mic modes doesn't seem to work right now. I'm pretty sure that is also a bug, and it will be fixed really soon. Let me know down in comments below, is this feature working perfectly for you? Because it is working amazing for me. And is it supported on your devices? I'm not really sure that it is supported on all devices. iPhone XR, XS and 11 users, let me know down in comments below, is it working on your device? And do you want a video? If you are one of the iPhone 11 XR owners, do you want me to install iOS 17 on those devices? Let me know down in comments below. That's pretty much it for today's quick little episode. Thank you so much for watching this video till the end. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Thank you so much for watching till the end. Please hit that subscribe button. I really need it. I'm so close to 10k, and I want to get to 10k as soon as we can. Thank you so much. If you like this video, let me know down in comments below. I will catch you guys in the very next episode. Peace.